Y'all, I am up. I am up like 7 o'clock Easter morning. I'm getting ready to put on my duck. I want to share with y'all this duck that I'm going to make duck and dressing. And so I decided to share this with you all. Right here, y'all, I have some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and salt that I'm getting ready to mix together. Just mix it all together. I have like a half a tablespoon of each in here. And I'm getting ready to season my duck. Okay, right here, I have some celery and onions. Stuff my duck with this, okay? Right now, what I'm going to do, y'all, this is what I did. I removed my duck from the wrapping, and I washed it. You can put salt on it and wash it and rinse it off real good and get ready to cook it, okay? That's the way I've done. Okay, what I'm doing now, I am seasoning. I'm putting my salt and pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder all over it. Okay, and flip it over. Do the same. Make sure we well season our duck. And the thing about it, you got to be very careful with this, because when you're making a duck dressing, you don't want too much salt in your broth. You don't want a whole lot of salt, so be very careful with this. Very careful with it, okay? I'm going to pour the season right here in the cavity. Make sure you put it all in there. Okay, now I'm going to stuff my duck with the vegetables. With the onions and the celery. I'm too close. Okay. You stuff it. Like I say, be very careful. Don't put too much salt on your duck, because your broth can end up very, very salty. So you have to be very, very careful with it. Because a duck makes a very, very rich, it makes a very, very rich broth. Okay. Okay. This is not the pan that I'm going to cook my duck in. I have another roasting pan that I'm going to use. Okay, and what I'm doing now, I'm going to remove the duck out of that pan into my other pan. Okay, like I say, it comes with the neck and the giblets. And so, let me go back so y'all can see it real good. And see what I'm doing now. I have some water here in this bowl. I'm going to pour. Try not to pour it on the top of the duck. I may got maybe a couple of I may have like a couple of cups of water. See, I want rich broth, and I think I'm gonna do another bowl. Okay, I'm gonna add some more water to it, and some more water to it, cause I want some very, very rich broth in this duck. So, like I said, try not to touch this top. Let it be seasoned, and some of you can't help but to put the water on. But as long as I know the top of my duck and then the inside is well seasoned. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm getting ready to cover it with foil. Set my oven at 375 degrees and let it cook. And I'll let y'all know how long it's going to cook, okay? I'm going to cover this with foil and put the foil on my duck. I did not put it all the way because I don't want the foil to touch the top of my duck. Okay, so you see how I did that foil. Make sure you do not let your foil touch it because it may stick, okay? Okay, y'all, this is what I have done. Let me get this duck out. Here's my duck, y'all. This is my duck, and what I did, I drained off the juice, and I cut some onions and celery up and put it in here from the broth of this duck, and I let my vegetables boil, like I say, in that broth. And I have my cornbread right here, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add my broth to this cornbread. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, as y'all can see, I have put my vegetables in here with the cornbread. And this is what you do if you don't have enough broth. A lot of times, see what I'm doing, I'm making quite a bit of dressing. See, what I have to do is add some cream of chicken to some more broth. Just some canned broth or bottled broth, you know, whatever kind of broth, that chicken broth you can find. And what I did, I mixed some cream of chicken with it, because like I say, I'm making quite a bit. And so what I'm doing now, I'm going to pour this over in there. Like I say, I'm making quite a bit of dressing. I'm making a lot. So if you just a few of y'all, that broth that I use for the out of the duck, it'll be fine. Just for if you're just not making much. I'm sorry, y'all. My camera is steaming up. I'm adding a little my seasonings in here. I'm putting just a little poultry seasoning in here. Okay, and I got 3 eggs right here. That I'm getting ready to add to my dressing. Okay, I'm putting 3 eggs in here. Okay, you just mix it up. Mix it up well, y'all. It is up to you how much sage or poultry season that you put in there. Some people don't put any at all. Add a little bit more. Total, I'm probably adding maybe a tablespoon of poultry season. It's up to you. Okay, y'all, now I have put my dressing in my pan, and here's my duck. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to see, can I put this over here, y'all? I'm trying to see if I can lay it up there. Okay, I just laid it up there. I'm going to put my neck there and my gizzard. This in a 350 degree oven, as y'all can see. I'll put this in a 350 degree oven and let this cook for maybe an hour to an hour and a half. Yeah, something like that. And as soon as this gets ready, I'm going to be right back. Okay, y'all, we're getting ready to make up our plates. This is our duck and dressing, and it was in the oven like maybe an hour and a half. It's up to you. See, like I say, I have a lot, and so that's why I had to cook mine longer, because my pan is deeper. Okay, anyway, I'm getting ready to plate up this duck and dressing, y'all. The duck and dressing have a different texture than the chicken and dressing. Just a slight difference. Not no whole lot, y'all. Just a slight difference. Okay, I'm gonna take a leg off here. I'm gonna put that on there. Okay. I'm gonna add just a little bit more dressing on here. Just a little bit more. Okay. I'm just doing this as a thumbnail so y'all can see it real good. Okay. Let me put some cranberry sauce on it. All right, let's put a little cranberry sauce on there. All right, y'all. Here we go. This is our duck and dressing. Y'all see it? This is our duck and dressing. This is what I cook for Easter. And so I decided to share this with you all. So let me taste it. Let me taste just a little bit of it. So y'all can ask, how did it taste? It tastes good. Like I said, I didn't put a lot of salt in it, but I can taste the salt in it. But you got to be very careful when you fixing your meat, okay? Well, I'm getting ready to close, y'all. Just want to share with you all my duck and dressing, okay? Well, I'm going to tell y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye. And happy Easter to everyone. Bye-bye for now.